Hello, in this Java programming video we are going to take a look at properties. So properties are a pretty cool data structure which essentially allow you to provide a sort of key and a value. So it's a key value pair situation. So let's just dive right into it. And we need to import. We need to do a java.util.asterisk like so. And now we want to do properties files film. So I'm just going to essentially, well, you'll see what I'm going to do. So bear with me. So this is how you create the property. Nothing extraordinary here in terms of the creation. And now to actually add something, you do films.put, and now you provide the key. The key, first one is going to be Star Wars, one of my favorite franchises of all time. The value I'm going to put in is the favorite movie of mine of that franchise. So Return of Jedi. You know what? I will use the original name that was scrapped for it. So Revenge of the Jedi. And I'm sure there'll be people watching this video that'll probably just jump after I did do the explanation of why I'll put this, and they'll be like, "Oh no, that's not the name." Yeah. So let's carry on. So films.put. Next one I'm going to do is Batman. And when I say Batman, I mean the Nolan trilogy. Nothing before or after. And for this, The Dark Knight Rises, or The Dark Knight. And they're all so good actually, like in their own way. Films.put. And for the last franchise, I will put Lord of the Rings. I will put Lord of the Rings. And my favorite movie is The Two Towers. It is close between The Two Towers and Return of the King. But Two Towers just edges it for me. Okay, so now let's just print out our property. So system.out.println and do films like so. Print some more out. That's pretty cool. But can we access an individual one? Yeah, of course we can. Who am I trying to fool with this pause? And to do it, you just do films.get, and now you just specify the actual key. So one of these. I'll just copy this. I'll put Star Wars here. Copy that. Paste it here. There we go. Run it. It's a Return of the Jedi. If I misspell it, it'll just come up as no. Okay, so one last thing I'm going to show you is how to sort of loop over the entire properties object and just get everything from it. That'll be really useful as well. So you need to create an iterator first. So iterator, I will call it I need to set it to the properties object. So film.keyset.iterator. So this will get the iterator for it. So yeah, the built-in method for it. That's the beauty of Java. It has so many crazy methods that are built in. It just makes your life a lot easier. So you just do while. And I.has next. So while there's still another value in our properties data structure. So we're going to do string s. So I'm going to string key. So I'll call it key equals string and I.next. So we're getting the next value in our iterator, which is essentially all of the values from films, all the key values, I should say, all of these. So I.next key, like you can see right there. And we need to cast it to a string so we can actually use it when we get the actual value as well. And now we're going to do a simple system.out.println, and in here we are going to put key, and we're going to put plus colon, and finally we're going to print out also the values of films.get key. Now if we run it, it printed them all out. And that's it. That's it for the properties data structure. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Java video.